This is the 1.0 phone holder MagSafe review on my 2018 Toyota Highlander. This would be similar to most vehicles in this segment, most SUVs. It's a universal install mount, and this is what it will look like on a 2014 to 2019 Toyota Highlander. I want to thank 1.0 for sending us this unit, because I will tell you why during this video, why it's eons better than this loosely holding mirror case MagSafe holder and this old magnetic phone holder that's stuck to our dash. Now what I'll do is cut to the install video for the suction cup sticker onto the windshield instead of using the dash. So when you're installing the suction piece, the bottom here is super sticky, which goes directly to your dash. But what I'll do is stick on the included windshield protector. So if you've ever installed any suction cup type devices onto your windshield, you know you've had these before. I actually have it here for our camera, dash cam, and it's just made so this doesn't stick to your windshield and becomes impossible to remove. So we have this thing that's about the same size. The instructions here are just to stick it in the area that you're going to use, and so that the suction cup doesn't stick permanently to your windshield. Let me put it right here and make sure there's no bubbles. Let me zoom in for you. Harder to see here. My phone is not good. There we go. Okay, so you stick this in the area that you want to install your phone holder. There you go. Make sure there are no air bubbles. Press it firmly with your fingers and kind of squeeze out all the air. It's got that little tab there on the end if ever you want to remove. And there we go. Got that little sticky parts over there. Okay, hopefully you can see that there. Okay, that's installed. So that's how you install that sticker to the windshield. And as you can see, I have it down, stuck onto that part where it won't stick to the windshield, and it won't mess up this leather look plastic with the sticky suction cup that we have here. We also have this phone mount to steady this part of the holder during bumps, and I didn't stick it on yet because I'm not 100% sure whether I want to keep it here or move it closer to my dash. So I'm just going to test fit this for now, but I want to show you guys how it looks like on the dashboard in this setup. Now, the big thing that I like about the 1.0 is major. It's that it doesn't block the vent. So when it's summer and you get the air conditioning, yes, it does cool your phone and keeps your phone running, but it blocks the air conditioning for you and all the passengers inside your vehicle. The bad thing is during the winter when it's super cold and you use your heater, the heat comes out through this dashboard, and that heats up your phone, rendering your phone unusable. So what I like about the 1.0 is that it can be mounted on anywhere in your dash. I might do it here. I'm not 100% sold on it on this location, but I'm going to test this out for now because I like looking in this general area for our dashboard. So this is the 1.0 view. You can see it does come with a plug-in connector to cigarette lighter for your power, and on the Highlander it has a pass-through area here. I managed actually to just tuck it in on the dash and it sticks pretty well. So you can see really lightly the cable goes around here over the dash and into the plug unit. Now this is what it looks like when you hold it onto your MagSafe holder. So now it's 62% charge. Like most smartphones, this will go into your dashboard with 15-watt charging instead of super fast charging like they do on Samsung's or other Android devices. And it does come with a MagSafe holder. If you have a phone that doesn't have MagSafe, mine specifically comes with this slim case. I have this from JTech. It's super slim, but it also has this, you can see the magnetic ring, so that's what will hold it here. The articulation on the back has a adjustability So you can loosen it to adjust or tighten it fully to keep it in place. So you can see in the video there, look, I can loosen for adjustability, or once you get an angle that you like, you can really tighten it to keep it in place. So when I pop it on like that, it's got it's got 62% charged, and it has the 15-watt charging to charge your device. And it does include the USB-C cable down here. Most devices actually come with the USB-A, so I like that it comes with a USB-C. It holds really strongly. You can see here, you can still articulate it and keep it in your angle. I like the way this angle sits because now I can manipulate my phone really close to the steering wheel. I don't like going too far or to the side or to the bottom. This one keeps it right next to my steering wheel, so you can see how close it is. On top of that, because it's just snap on, snap off, it's very easy to do. The difference with a mirror case is that once you attach it here, you have to bring the cable and plug it into your phone. There's just a nice convenience factor to have it like this. And then the old magnetic holder you see it holds my phone there, but no charging, and it's very loose, so over bumps this falls off very easily. This is some no-name brand, Getihu brand that I've been using before, but I'm glad 10 sent us this because bam, now it's charging in place and ready to go on the road. So I hope this review was helpful for you. I hope all your questions were answered. I will probably compare this to different reviews, so if you like this kind of content, please consider following the channel, and I thank you for your time.